FKM Venture 150 Ultimate Edition. Mayroon po itong built-in na camera sa harap at likod. At naka full LED projector lights naman po ang kanyang headlight at may split na daytime running light. Clear color naman po ito pong kanyang windshield at ito po ay adjustable. Naka-traditional telescopic fork with rubber boots ang kanyang front suspension, habang naka-dual sub-tank shock absorber naman po dito sa likuran at ito po ay adjustable. Naka-single rotor disc brake with 2-pot caliper dito sa harapan with ABS, habang naka-single disc brake single pot caliper naman po dito sa likuran with ABS. At ito po ay naka-spokes rim set. Ito po talaga ang literal na adventure scooter. At mayroon naman pong sukat ang kanyang gulong rito sa harapan na 100 by 80-14, habang mayroon naman pong sukat na 130 by 70-13 dito sa likuran. At ito po ay naka semi-dual purpose pattern tires. Naka fully digital meter panel display, naka naked handlebar, at adjustable na po ito pong kanyang mga brake levers. At ang kanya naman pong mga button selectors, mayroon po itong passing light, may additional navigation button para sa meter panel display, may high beam and low beam turn signal selectors sa kanyang horn. Habang dito naman po sa kabila, mayroon pong on and off ang kanyang traction control, may hazard button, may on and off ang kanyang headlight at ang kanyang electric starter. At mayroon po itong park brake lock. Naka-smart keyless system ang ignition. Included na rin po rito yung kanyang fuel at set opener. At mayroon pa po pala ditong auto stop start system button. May built-in na USB charging port. At mayroon naman po itong fuel tank capacity na 9.3 liters. Malapad po ito pong kanyang upuan at naka-two-tone color combination naman po ito pong kanyang seat cover na black at gray. Stylish din po ang dating nito pong kanyang integrated na grab bar. Converted na rin po ito as rear carrier. Malapad din po ito pong kanyang pillion board with footrest extension at mayroon po itong rubber cover on top na anti-slip. At mayroon na din po itong traction control system. At ito po ay equipped with side stand engine cut-off switch. Tubular naman po na metal, ito pong kanyang center stand. Alloy naman po ito pong ating pillion step para sa ating back rider. Black color naman po ito pong kanyang CVT cover at may naka-intact po rito na FKM. Napaka-porma po nito pong kanyang LED na taillight at mayroon pa yang daytime running light sa gilid. At naka-pop up naman po ito pong kanyang mga LED na turn signals. Very sporty looks po ang dating nito pong kanyang stock pipe at mayroon naman po itong single exhaust. At ito po ay gumagamit ng liquid cooled para po sa kanyang cooling system. May integrated na mudguard, may FKM na 3D emblem na nakalagay dito po sa kanyang side profile. At mayroon po itong 150 cubic centimeter engine displacement. Naka single cylinder, single overhead cam, 4-stroke with 4 valve. At nakakapag-provide naman po ito ng maximum power na 12.1 kW at 8,500 RPM. Habang nakakapagbigay naman po ito ng maximum torque na 14.6 Nm at 5,500 RPM. At ito po ay fuel-injected engine. At mayroon naman po itong seat height na 800 mm, may ground clearance na 165 mm, may wheelbase na 1,324 mm, at mayroon naman po itong kabuuang bigat na 155 kg. At ang presyo po ng FKM Venture 150 Ultimate Edition ay nagkakahalaga po ito ng 168,000 pesos. At kung gusto mo naman pong kumuha ng hulugan, ay kailangan mo lang pong mag-down payment ng 16,800 pesos. At mayroon naman po itong 8,229 pesos sa loob po yan ng 3 taon.